Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling the microphone on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side underneath system, select sound. On the right side, there should be something that says manage sound devices. Go ahead and select that. There should be an input device listed here, or at least one or multiple. Select it, and then select disable, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.